If Lightroom is showing error code 72, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick and effective fixes that can help get your syncing working again. This issue is usually related to cloud storage, sync problems, or sometimes an Adobe server hiccup, so we're going to walk through the most common solutions step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, check your cloud storage in Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the Creative Cloud app and look at your available storage. If your cloud storage is full, Lightroom may not be able to sync properly, which can trigger error code 72. If needed, delete any unwanted synced photos or old files to free up space. Once you've cleared some storage, go back to Lightroom and see if the error is gone. Next, try pausing and resuming sync. Open Lightroom and look at the cloud icon in the top right corner. Click it, then choose Pause Sync. Wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Sync. This simple refresh can often reconnect Lightroom to the cloud and clear temporary syncing problems. If the error is still there, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Open Creative Cloud, click your profile, and sign out of your account. After that, restart your PC completely. Once your computer turns back on, open Creative Cloud again and sign in with the same Adobe account. Then launch Lightroom and check whether syncing is working normally. Another important fix is updating Lightroom. Open Creative Cloud and check for updates. If a newer version is available, install it right away. Outdated versions of Lightroom can sometimes run into sync bugs or connection issues, and updating to the latest version may solve the problem instantly. If none of those steps work, the issue may be temporary on Adobe side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. But in most cases, checking cloud storage, pausing and resuming sync, signing out and back in, and updating Lightroom will fix error code 72. I hope this video helped you get Lightroom working again. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.